Hello, my name is Jay Jennings, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you something that'll make a big difference in your online business. I call it instant video web pages, and just like the name says, it allows you to create video sales letters, video opt-in pages, video postcards, or whatever in an instant. I'm not going to try and convince you that online video is important. You already know that, or you wouldn't even be watching this. But if you're still kind of on the fence about it, I want to mention something that well-known marketer Ryan Deiss said recently. He said he went from a 2.1% conversion rate on a sales letter to a 6.9% simply by adding a video. That's the kind of improvement that we all want. So if online video is all that and more, why doesn't everybody use it? I think it boils down to one of these two reasons. First of all, making a video requires blank, and you can fill in the blank with whatever problem that you have. For some people, they'd say expensive equipment. Other people would say specialized training. I can prove to you those things are not true, and I'll get back to that in just a moment. Let's say that's not your problem. Maybe you think putting the video online is a hassle. That was exactly my problem, and I'm a tech geek. Even though I knew how, it was just enough of a hassle that I tended not to do it. Which is why I came up with instant video web pages, so I could get great looking video pages online without the hassle. The software is web-based, and it's easy enough for a newbie, but powerful enough for even hardcore internet marketers. Now, just so you don't have to take my word for it, let's switch over. I'll show you exactly what it takes to create a video web page. Okay, how do you create a video web page just like what you're looking at here? It's very easy with instant video web pages. First thing you do is you go into the video library, you click upload new video, and you upload your video. All right, so these are the videos that I have uploaded so far. Then you click over to your web pages, and you click add new web page. All right, when you get in here, you give it a name. You choose one of the video files that you've uploaded. You choose a template from these ones that are available. And then right down here at the bottom, you put in your headline, your body, whatever you want, and you use the built-in editor to make it look the way that you want. That's it. That's all you have to do. You click the update button, and that allows you to create a video web page in an instant. So the steps needed to get your video page online are: step 1, upload your video; step 2, fill in the blanks; and there is no step 3. As you saw from that demo, it really is super easy, but there are some advanced features that'll blow you away. One called cue points allows you to specify certain actions to happen at specified times during the video. Let's switch over again and see exactly what that looks like. As you're watching this video on this page, you'll notice that there's no buy button, there's no copy, there's just the headline, and there's the video. Well, how are people going to buy? Well, there's going to be a buy button there, and it's going to show up in a couple of minutes here. Let me show you how to do that. Now, this example here I put together, and in 3 more seconds, the body copy is going to show up. Let me just scroll here a little bit so we have some more to look at. All right, I'm going to go ahead and start this, and in 3 seconds, watch right below the video here. I'm going to show you something that'll make a big difference in your online business. I call it instant video web pages, and just like the... Okay. All right, and we've got the body copy to show, and the buy buttons and everything else. Well, that's got to be some great guru programming trick. Well, it used to be, but it's not anymore. Cue points, very simple to use, and let me just show you exactly how to do that. Here it is right here, show body and buy buttons. All I did was I went in and gave it a name, show body and buy buttons, and I specified number of seconds, 5. For this example, it was just 5 seconds, and I said, okay, I want you to load a part of the page. Down here, which part? The body, and load this stuff down here. So that was it basically. Number of seconds at 5 seconds into it, at 120 seconds into it, whatever it is, in the body section, load this. So you can load your buy button, you could load the opt-in form, whatever it is, and that's all it takes to do cue points with instant video web pages. Now you know how easy and powerful the software is, but that's not all. Earlier I talked about people who think they'd never be able to create a video for one reason or another, so I'm including some training with instant video web pages. First, I'm giving you 2 lessons from PCS. That's my full-blown Product Creation Station course. Lesson 9 teaches you how to create screencast video, and Lesson 10 teaches you how to create live video. Plus, I'm also including a special report called Articles to Screencast, and even if you're not into doing articles, I'll give you a hint. The technique I show in that report is the same technique I used to create this video. Instant Video Web Pages is a service that's hosted for you, so that means no installations required. It's ready to go right now. And what's cool is that when new features are added to the software, you won't have to do any upgrades. They just show up automatically for you to start using. Instant Video Web Pages starts at just $27 a month, and that includes tutorial videos and training materials. Plus, I'm doing something that's unheard of in the internet marketing world. While everybody else wants to trap you into a lifetime of monthly payments so they can get that residual income, I'm going to include an exit strategy for you. I have a standalone version of the software that can be installed on your own website. It sells for $497 one time. As a member of Instant Video Web Pages, I'll give you one-to-one credit toward the purchase of the standalone version. That means if at any time in the future you decide you want to run everything off your own server, everything you paid up to that point will count as credit toward the standalone version. There's nobody else in the internet marketing world who will do something like that because everybody else wants to lock you in for life. Now, don't get me wrong, I'd love to have you as a member of Instant Video Web Pages for life, but that's going to be up to you. With my system, you can get started right now for only $27, and you never have to feel like you're trapped. Right below this video, you'll see the information on the bronze, silver, and gold plans. And yes, the one-to-one credit toward the standalone version is available on all of the plans. It boils down to this. In general, video sales letters convert more prospects to buyers, and video opt-in pages get more people to sign up for your list. And now with Instant Video Web Pages, you can get great-looking video pages online in less time than you ever thought possible. Scroll down and choose the option that's best for you, and get started right now.